Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the computer class once again, and we will continue with chapter 2, Role of Computers. Today our topic will be impact of computers. Now, what is the meaning of impact? Impact means effects of computers. So let's start. Impact of computers on education. So children, before the use of computers, learning about new topics was a long and difficult process. For example, to search a piece of information, one had to spend many hours in the library. But nowadays, you can get information on any topic on a computer, maybe with the help of Google or some other kind of browser. They can also make a boring topic interesting with the use of various audio and visual effects. Now, what does this mean? This simply means that students can now gain knowledge and information not only from the classrooms but also from online resources with the help of computer. Now let us see some pictures. Can you see that the students are taking the help of computers to learn? Now our next topic is impact of computers in maintaining record. Earlier what used to happen? Earlier records were maintained using paper or registers and notebooks, etc. Now with the use of computers, there is no need to store data in papers. A computer saves lot of papers and ink. Any old document can easily be found if stored in a computer, because we know that computers can store huge amount of data. The bulky files are replaced by CDs, DVDs and flash drives. For example, hospitals take the help of computer systems to maintain records of patients. Even the bankers take the help of computers to keep the record of their customers. These data are stored in CDs, DVDs and flash drives. Now let us see some pictures. This is the way data are stored in the computers. Now the next topic is impact of computers in the field of designing and publishing. So there are various computer programs that let the designers to create amazing creative designs. They can design clothes, cars, books, buildings and so on. Computers have increased the speed of printing while maintaining the print quality. Now let us understand this in a simple way. Nowadays, the process of designing buildings, graphics, creating animated cartoons that you all like to watch are all possible because of the computers. Now see the pictures and try to understand how designing is done in computers. The last part of the topic is impact of computers in the field of entertainment. So children, computers add a lot of creativity to the entertainment industry. Interesting visual and audio effects can be given to a movie, song, advertisement with the help of computers, which makes something very interesting. Due to these effects, audio visual effects, you all like to watch the cartoons. It's your favorite. But apart from this, we also enjoy playing games in computers. We listen to music, we watch movies and many more to do with computers. Now have a look at the pictures and see how they are enjoying playing games in computers and watching cartoons. Now let us recap.
In education, you can get information on any topic on a computer. In entertainment, interesting visual and audio effects can be given to a movie or song with the help of computers. In designing, designers can design clothes, cars, books, buildings, and so on with the help of computer. In maintaining records, with the use of computers, there is no need to store data in papers.